The JBL Stage 3 bundle speakers pair delivers a noticeable upgrade in clarity and detail over typical factory car speakers, especially in vocals and mid-range instruments. With the three-way 6 by 9-inch speakers handling a wide frequency range and the two-way 6 and 1/2-inch speakers filling in the front stage, the set creates a balanced, immersive sound field in most vehicles. Bass response is tight and controlled rather than boomy, giving kick drums and bass lines real punch without overwhelming the rest of the mix. These speakers are designed with relatively high sensitivity, so they can play cleanly and loudly even when powered by a standard head unit while still benefiting from an external amplifier. Build quality is solid for the category, with sturdy cones, durable surrounds, and included grills that help protect the drivers from everyday abuse. Installation is straightforward for most common factory locations, making this bundle a convenient all-in-one upgrade for drivers who want better sound without piecing together separate components.